welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to click that subscribe button. We do deals once a week, so we do Ibotta deals. We post one Ibotta deal a week, and then sometimes there'll be a bonus because I really like to go grocery shopping, but then the other one is usually like a fun video. It's usually a haul or a review of something else for fun. And so today's Walmart haul, we did a bunch of bonuses we got and hit those offer bonuses, and then we had a $4.44 Moneymaker, and I'm really excited to share this video with you guys, and hopefully you guys can go to Walmart too and get all these great deals so you can save some money. And yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna start off this video with this. This is the first product. So this is the malt oatmeals. I got the Berry Colossal Crunch and the Frosted Flakes. These are priced at $1 each. You're gonna use Shopkick for this deal, and I'm not really that familiar with it, but I just started using it, and it's honestly like a really great deal. So you scan these both in store, they're 10 points. Then you're gonna buy them for $500 when you buy one, and then when you buy both of them, it's gonna give you a bonus of 1,200 kicks, which is $6.88. This is gonna be free and a $4.88 moneymaker. And make sure when you're in the store too to scan the bigger products and not these small bags. Alright, so this is the next product. This is the Degree Dry Spray. So you're going to buy one of these. They're priced at $4.97. I had a $2 off coupon that came in the mail. I think it's called Unilever. And then that's $2.97. You're going to get $1.50 back on Ibotta, making this $1.47. And then you're going to use Shopkicks and scan this for 25 points in the store, and then you're gonna get 125 points, which is like 30 cents, and making this $1.17. Okay, so this is the next product. This is the All Stain Lifter Free and Clear Clean and Care. I finally found this in my store. It's been like sold out like the whole time. So you're gonna make sure it says 49 loads and make sure it says free clear, and then it says clean and care. So this is priced at $6.97. You're gonna get back $2.50 on Ibotta because it's clean and care all product, and then you're gonna get back $2.50 because it's free and clear all product, and then you're gonna get $1 bonus for buying those two offers, for reaching those two offers. So total price for this was 97 cents. This is the Gerber teether wheels. So these are like baby snacks. They're for crawlers, and then they come in, I think, banana cream flavor, which sounds really interesting, and I wonder what these taste like. But these are priced at $1.96. You're gonna get $1.50 back on Ibotta. This is actually great if you're trying to reach those offers because you'll also get any diaper rash product. It's like 10 cents back, so making this only 36 cents. Alright, so if you're trying to hit those offers, I got this one because it reaches two offers as well. So this is the Degree Maximum Recovery Massage Bar. I've actually bought this before and used it, and I mean, it's pretty cool. It's $2.97. You're gonna get back $1 on Ibotta, and then you're going to get 10 cents back for buying any soap. And so this makes it $1.87. And I got this just because I was trying to reach those offers. Okay, so this is the next product. So I grabbed the M&Ms. They're 88 cents. You're going to get back 25 cents on Ibotta, making this only 63 cents. Okay, so I've done this one before. So this is the Kraft Macaroni and Cheese. This is priced at only 98 cents, and then you're gonna get back 20 cents on Ibotta, making this only 78 cents. Alright, so this is the next item that I got. I got these wheat thins. They're ranch flavored, and honestly I could have gotten a couple more, but I was concerned if the ranch flavor was good because sometimes it's like way too much and sometimes it's really good. But these are the ranch. They're priced at $1.50 each, and I got two of them. There was actually like a ton of these, and they had like peels on the front, so you buy 2 and you get $1 off, so I used that. Okay, so these are $1.50 each. I bought 2 of them, making it $3. It had a $1 peel coupon, and that makes it $2. And then you get $1 back on Ibotta. You can buy up to 5, but since I bought 2, I got $2 back, making this free. Alright, so this is the next product that I got. I got these Townhouse Dippers. They're just like buttery crackers. They were on the clearance section too. They were priced at $2. You get 75 cents back on Ibotta, making this only $1.25. Okay, so for the breakdown of this video, so for this Walmart haul, we spent $30.36 at Walmart. Then we had $14.15 back on Ibotta. So that makes it $16.21. Then we had a $1 bonus. We had a $10 bonus. And then we had a $3 weekly bonus, which is $14 back. So that makes it $2.21. Then we're gonna subtract the $4.58 Moneymaker from Shop Kicks, which is $4.88 plus 30 cents. So our total is now $2.97. Then we got a $1 back for buying the all products, and so that's $3.97. So I know I said in the beginning of the video it was like a $4.44 Moneymaker, but either I'm missing like a few cents from something, or the total is still a Moneymaker, so it's a $3.97 Moneymaker. Thanks for watching my video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see next week's deal. And be sure to leave me a comment and a like so we can make more great deals. Bye!